Chaos is on its way in the form of a tornado tag match. As we get this battle underway, we have Kairi Sane and Junkyard Dog. And they'll be in for one hell of a tag team match as they square up with Ruca and Psycho Clown.
And teamwork is really put to the test when you're in a tornado tag match. With everyone in the ring at once, everyone is vulnerable to that ever-looming pinfall.
Forearm smash!
Oh, watch out. There's a seat for your face.
Launching off the rope with accuracy.
A no disqualification match can get very savage very quickly. A lot to be concerned about for these competitors.
No DQ means no break, no look.
Ruca's shoulders are down. This might do it.
Curious decision here. Not sure why she gave up on the...
Oh, haven't seen this in a long time. The old air raid crap. Covering their opponent for the win. Kick out. She still has life. What a match.
Avoided any damage.
Knife edge shot echoing through the arena. Using the foot to their advantage.
Oh, getting put to shame right there.
Moves from the ring to the outside.
Oh, the neck taking all that damage.
She turns it around with the reversal. Oh, man, what a strong kick. A dragon screw ankle breaker.
Into the ankle breaker. From the top, double stomp. Kairi Sane with a little power display.
Now cover for the win.
What a great win in such a unique style matchup.
Here are your winners, the team of Kairi Sane and Junkyard Dog.
Here are your winners of this tornado tag match.
Taking on multiple opponents simultaneously is no easy task, but these two really took it in stride.